Claudia Helena Kask. Aplausi koht oli nüüd see, väga hästi. Ja Lighthouse Keeper on tema lüürilise soolo nimeks. Stuudio Tote tantsukool.
Build yourself a boat, babe. Make yourself a sail. Float into the ocean to nowhere. Yeah, I see you looking for a sign, praying for a beacon. So here's the light. My arms will be wide open for the moment you arrive. When you set sail on your journey and happiness is far away, love will guide you till the morning. Lead your heart down to the bay. Don't resist the rain and storm. I'll never leave you lost at sea. I will be your lighthouse keeper, bring you safely home to me. I will be your lighthouse keeper, bring you safely home to me.
Suur tänu sulle!